Module 8, Capstone Project. Chapter 10, Collaborative Project. Applying generative AI concepts to solve a real-world project management challenge. The culmination of your generative AI journey lies in the Capstone Project, where you'll apply your newfound knowledge to address a real-world project management challenge. This chapter guides you through the process of conceptualizing, executing, and refining your Capstone project. 8.1 Project Definition. Select a project management challenge that aligns with your organization's goals or industry trends. For example, consider optimizing resource allocation in a multi-team project or enhancing risk assessment for a complex project. 8.2 Data Collection and Preparation. Gather relevant data that pertains to your chosen challenge. This could include historical project data, resource availability records, or risk assessment information. Ensure data quality and cleanliness for accurate model training. 8.3 Model Selection and Training. Choose the appropriate generative model for your project. If it involves generating project schedules, an LSTM-based model might be suitable. For risk assessment, a VAE-based approach could be relevant. Train your model using the prepared data, iterating to refine its performance. 8.4 Iterative Development. Implement the generative model into your project management process. As you test and deploy the model, gather feedback from your project team to identify areas for improvement and enhancement. Chapter Y, Presentation and Discussion of Project Outcomes. The Capstone project isn't just about execution, it's about sharing your results and insights. This chapter focuses on presenting your project outcomes and engaging in thoughtful discussions. 8.5 Project Presentation. Craft a compelling presentation that showcases your project's journey, from problem identification to solution implementation. Highlight the key decisions you made, challenges you overcame, and the impact your generative model had on the project. 8.6 Insights and Lessons Learned. Reflect on the insights you gained throughout the project. Discuss how generative AI influenced decision-making, improved project efficiency, and provided valuable insights for future projects. 8.7 Collaborative Discussion. Engage in a collaborative discussion with your peers, mentors, and stakeholders. Share your experiences, solicit feedback, and explore potential applications of generative AI in other project management scenarios. In the Capstone project, you're not just applying technical skills, you're showcasing your ability to think critically, adapt, and innovate in a real-world context. By presenting your project outcomes and engaging in meaningful discussions, you contribute to the broader discourse on how generative AI can reshape project management practices. This experience serves as a testament to your journey in mastering the fusion of AI and project management. AI can help in generating output for these projects as follows. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.